Hello guys, it's me Shreyash and watching Fact Day. In today's video, we are going to know about some interesting facts about the world's capital and the country which has the world's largest economy. Yes guys, in today's video, we are going to talk about United States of America, also known as America. So, without further ado, let's begin today's video. Let's go!
Hanging from the willow tree, quiet.
Guys, do you know that the American flag has changed 27 times? Yes, guys, the first American flag only displayed 13 strips as well as 13 stars that were arranged in a circle, like the Captain America shield. Yes, guys, something like that you would be expecting. Because the stars and the strip represented the 13 countries that declared independence from Great Britain. While the origin of the first American flag were known of, some do believe that it was designed by New Jersey Congressman Francis Hopkinson and Swiss by the Philadelphia Temptress and Betty Ross. Guys, if I am spelling this wrong out, these names, then I would be writing their names on the screen. Since the founding of United States of America, there have been 27 versions of American flag. Each new flag represented the addition of new state. Today, American flag displays 50 stars that represents the 50 states that make up the United States of America. Yes, guys. Let's move to the next fact. Guys, do you know that the fact I told that the American flag has changed 27 times? Yes, guys, the last flag when it was changed because Alaska and Hawaii were going to be added in the United States of America. So, I tell you the back of the story who designed it. There was a person, basically when he was the age of 17, the teachers told him that the teacher told their class to make a flag. So that child made the flag that we are using till now. So he made the flag, and that flag consisted of 50 stars in it. Like you are seeing, before it was just 48 stars because there were only 48 states in United States. So that is why the kid thought that he should be making 50 stars because Alaska and Hawaii was going to be added in the United States. So he made 50 stars, and the teacher didn't like that flag. So she told the guy who made the flag, she told him that your flag wouldn't be chosen, and that boy was also thinking that my flag will be chosen in the national flag competition and all, and the flag would be every time. So he challenged his teacher and told this flag would be chosen for the United States of America's flag. So he sent his drawing of 50 stars and the design of America's flag. So he sent to the White House, and according to the White House, there were 100 drawings of flags. From one of those, the flag that person made was selected. So the president of that point of time called him and told that your flag has been selected. And guys, you know that teacher also told that I would be giving this drawing only -B, and that boy told no, it should be getting more marks. So the teacher challenged him to get selected for the United States of America's competition flag contest. So he won that competition and his flag was also selected. So the teacher had to give him A+. So we can think that kid was such a curious person. And guys, the name of the boy was Bob Heft. So we can think he was such a challenging person. Let's move to our next fact. Guys, did you know that Washington DC wasn't always the capital of America? Many recognized Washington DC was the capital of United States, but that wasn't always the case. Washington DC didn't all become the capital until 1790s. believe it or not, from 1785 until 1790, New York City served as the country's capital. While it may not be the capital today, but we can think New York City has over 8 million population, and which make it the most populous city in America. So we can think New York is such a developed country that it was at one time it was the capital of United States of America. As in this video we have known some interesting facts of America. In my next video you would be getting more interesting facts video. So until that point of time, guys, please hit the like button and subscribe to FactSD for more interesting facts, drawing and motivational videos. So share this video with the kind ones. This is Shreya signing off. Bye guys. Peace out.